ever tried to take screenshot on your Mac and accidentally what you did is you muted your mic or changed your wallpaper or summoned Siri? Relax, in next 3 minutes you will master every screenshot method on Mac like a pro. So let's start with our method number 1, which is the simplest. Simply press Command, Shift and 3 button. What this will do is it will take instant screenshot of your screen and will save it in your desktop. Now you can simply go here and can see the screenshot. And if you couldn't find it, simply make a right click on the top of it and then you can click on Save to Desktop or save it to some other place. So here I can see the recently taken screenshot. Now let's talk about method number 2, which is when we do not want to take screenshot of entire screen but selected area. Well, in that case you need to press Command, Shift and instead of 3 press 4. When we press 4, here you're going to see this kind of pointer that allow you to choose the custom area of which you want to take screenshot. And there you go, we have just taken another screenshot, and this time not of entire area but of specific one. And probably if I open this screenshot, you can see that this is the area I have selected, which was up to this point. Now let's talk about when we want to take screenshot of a specific window. So for example, let me open one picture. Now let's press again Command, Shift and 4 and then press space bar. Now when you press space bar, you're gonna see this kind of interface where you can choose a particular window of whom you want to take screenshot of. So for example, you want to take screenshot of this window, you can simply click on it, and that's how we have taken screenshot of that particular window. Now let's talk about even more option that you're gonna see the complete list by pressing Command, Shift and 5, and here below you're gonna see the entire screenshot toolbar now arrived that lets you customize the way you want, where not only you're gonna see the existing screenshot method that we have already gone through, but if you click here on option, you also have furthermore customization where let's say you can set timer, you can show or disable mouse pointer and many more. So that's how guys we have seen in so many different way we can take screenshot and customize it based on our requirement. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to the Mac Essential for more such tutorials, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.